Easter weekend at Cotswolds. Matagal ko na gustong dumalo sa Cotswolds. Very picturesque place siya. Famous for countryside holiday. Pero mahirap siyang puntahan if walang sasakyan. Usually, dumadalaw every year yung mom ni Joao during Easter or during May, pag birthday niya. So we plan ahead of time and binook na namin itong De Vere Cotswold Water Park or De Vere in Filipino. Spring season, pagpunta namin so ang daming flowers kaya aura-aura muna si Don Facundo sa ilalim ng puno. Our first stop is the capital Cotswolds and the known market town. Pero hulaan muna natin kung paano yan pinopronounce. Siren Cesta, sabi ni Google. Sobrang ganda ng high street. Pero di na namin nabutan yung marketplace. Our next stop naman is Tetbury, which is included as one of the areas of outstanding natural beauty. Very old and well-preserved yung small town with lots of antique shops and local bakeries. Next town naman is Byberry, na famous for 14th century Arlington row houses na tirahan ng mga wool store workers noong araw. Selfie muna kami ni Don Facundo with mga incense. Dinner naman tayo sa The Brasserie sa hotel na napag-google pa kami kung saan nabibili yung camembert kasi super sarap. And syempre, mahjong session to end the night. Following day, we went to Borton on the Water. Sinuwerte kami sa araw, lately kasi maulan na. And sa crowd din, since maaga kami pumunta, sobrang linis ng tubig. It's known as the Venice of Cotswolds. And sobrang linis din ng lugar. May free parking, maraming shops, restaurants, ice cream stalls, gift shops, and local stores. Ang ganda din ng concept ng bakery na literal na on the water. I think it's not overrated. Good ang food, good ang service, maganda ang view, hindi sobrang mahal, sobrang linis. And nagpunta din kami sa Car and Toy Store Museum. I think ma-enjoy siya ng mga kids and kids at hearts na mahilig sa cars. Next naman na towns na pinuntahan namin ay ang tinatawag na Lower Slaughter and Upper Slaughter. Twin villages siya na magkadugtong lang. Parang extension ng Borton on the Water. Ang dami namin pinuntahang simbahan. Parang nagbisita iglesia kami nang hindi sinasadya. And sa Lower and Upper Slaughter, ang ibig niyang sabihin is muddy place. Hindi siya slaughterhouse like lugar ng katayan. Umatakin na naman yung pagkakaingkoy nito. Sabi niya, picturean ko daw siya. Tingnan mo tong si Don Facundo. Sabi niya, humayo kayo at lakarin ng aking hacienda. Sa lahat ng real estate agencies kung saan naka-advertise ang prices ng mga houses, lahat yun hinihintuan namin at tinititigan namin. And lalo lang kaming sinasampal ng kahirapan. Since ang range ng houses dito ay between £500,000 to £2.5 million. Last town na pinuntahan namin is Stowe on the Wold and the Porch House for Sunday Roast. Nasan din ang St. Edward Church, Tokian door na sinasabi nila nag-inspired sa Lord of the Rings.